And after 2,300 years, this live volcano is still spewing sulfuric smoke out into the atmosphere. This is a live volcano. I'm now walking on top of the lava formation that the volcano here erupted 2,300 years ago. So these are the volcano lava. And this is a volcanic rock. And as you can see, the smoke is still spewing out from the mountains. And these are very stinking sulfuric smoke. And we will never know when this place is going to erupt again. And let's hope it's not today.